Want to go from 0 subscribers to a YouTube powerhouse? The secret isn't luck, it's habits. Today, I'm revealing 10 game-changing habits that the biggest YouTubers use to skyrocket their channels, explode their views, and turn content into a career. Stick around because number 7 is the biggest growth hack no one talks about. Hey YouTube family. If you're serious about blowing up your channel, you're in the right place. I'm Rosemary, and I help creators like you master YouTube growth. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the habits that separate the amateurs from the legends. Mindset and strategy, the foundation for YouTube success. 1. Treat your channel like a business. YouTube isn't just a hobby, it's a brand and potential career. Plan your content, set goals, and track progress like a business owner. Action step. Set a clear content schedule and stick to it. 1. Consistency is king. The algorithm favors consistent creators. Uploading once in a while won't cut it. 2. Decide on a posting schedule, 1 to 3 times per week, and never miss an upload. Pro tip. If you can't post frequently, at least be predictable. 3. Master the art of storytelling. People don't just watch videos, they connect with stories. Hook viewers in the first 5 seconds, create tension, and keep them watching. Action step. Structure your videos with a strong hook, engaging middle, and satisfying payoff. Growth hacks and engagement strategies. 4. Click-worthy thumbnails and titles. The first battle is getting clicked. If your thumbnail and title suck, you lose. Thumbnails. High contrast, bold text, and emotional expressions. Titles. Use curiosity, power words, and numbers, e.g., this mistake is killing your views. Pro tip. A/B test thumbnails to see what works best. 5. Keep viewers hooked with retention tricks. The longer people watch, the more YouTube boosts your content. Strategies. Cut out fluff, add pattern interrupts, use cliffhangers, and deliver value fast. Action step. Check your audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics. See where people drop off and fix it. 6. Engage, engage, engage. YouTube rewards engagement, so make your audience interact. Say this in every video. Comment below and let me know. Smash that like button if you're finding this helpful. Subscribe for more. You don't want to miss what's next. Pro tip. Reply to every comment in the first hour to boost visibility. Monetization and longevity, turning YouTube into a career. 7. Leverage multiple income streams, the secret no one talks about. Don't rely on AdSense alone, diversify your income. Sponsorship. Affiliate marketing. Digital product. YouTube membership. Pro tip. Even small channels can start monetizing early with the right strategies. 8. Never stop learning and adapting. YouTube is always changing. What worked last year won't work forever. Study top creators, analyze trends, and always test new ideas. Action step. Spend at least 30 minutes a week studying YouTube trends and analytics. 9. Build a community, not just a channel. People subscribe for the content, but they stay for you. Show personality, share behind-the-scenes moments, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Pro tip. Start a Discord, Facebook group, or email list to create deeper connections with your audience. 10. Play the long game, don't quit too soon. Most creators give up too early. Growth takes time, but momentum will come if you stick with it. Commit to at least 1 year of consistent uploads before expecting big results. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers too. Success on YouTube isn't about luck, it's about consistent habits. Master these 10 habits, and your channel will skyrocket. Subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. This video is sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. Follow me for daily content tips and strategies. Which habit are you going to focus on first? Drop a comment below.